the literal transcript of the conversation he had with police detectives on August 31st, 2009. Did you read that transcript?
I'm not certain the witness knows what counsel referred to, the difference between a report or a transcript, or if we could be more precise.
You can let us know if you need some clarification.
I read a report. This was about a 2-page report. I mean, if you have a transcript, I'm happy to look at it.
Let me show you. I'll just clear it up for you, okay? Let me show you. What are we at? YY? Wait, I apologize, Doctor. There is some my writing on it.
It's okay. I won't read those parts.
You can. But YY is the exhibit that I'm showing you. It's Alberto Alvarez's statement. Is that what you're talking about that you saw?
Yes. This is. Let me just take a quick look. But this looks familiar. Yes. This is what I was referring to.
Did you review anything else about Alberto Alvarez? Any police officer notes?
No, this is what I reviewed. This is what I reviewed. I'll vote.
You know that you made
something else. Let me say that's all that I recall right now. If there was something else in the large packet of things about Mr. Alvarez, I don't recall it right now. I cannot absolutely say that there wasn't. I reviewed a lot of documents. But that is the one on which I based the statement.
You based your statement, your report, not only on Alberto Alvarez's statement, though, right?
Correct.
You based it on your assumption that Alberto Alvarez was telling the truth.
Yes.
And so, you demonstrate to the jury this bottle propped up in a bag yesterday. You remember doing that?
Yes.
And you said, you've testified that you've never seen anyone do that before, right?
Not propped up in that manner.
And prior to Mr. Walgren popping the hanging tab on the vial, you know that had never been done to that bottle. That hanging tab had not been pulled out. You know that, right?
We've stipulated that, Your Honor.
Well, whether he knows it or not.
Facts, not evidence. So speculation on this witness's part.
No, hold on, please. Neither counsel should be making speaking objections. We've been through this before. The objection is overruled. You can frame the question and address it to Dr. Shafer. Go ahead, please.
Thank you. Do you understand the question? You want me to repeat it?
Please repeat.
The propofol bottle that you used yesterday for your demonstration had a hanging tab on it, right?
That is correct.
And you hung it from the stand for the jury to see.
Correct.
And when you did that, thanks to gravity, you were able to infuse some propofol from that bottle. Is that right?
Correct.
Now, People's 30, which is the propofol bottle that was found at the scene, prior to Mr. Walgren popping it up in court yesterday, you know that that tab had not been opened or manipulated at all.
No, I don't know that.
Well, we stipulated to that. Would that surprise you?
I know you stipulated to it, but...
No, it's a fact. It's a fact. Then it's a stipulated fact, Doctor. Are you about to dispute that?
You can't tell me what I know.
Are you disputing?
I don't know that.
Well, he's saying you should assume that's the
fine.
correct statement.
I'll take it as given value, but I can't. But he's saying I know it, and may I explain that?
No, you don't have to. Just listen carefully to the question.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Which is based upon fact.
Okay.
Go ahead, please.
So your analysis yesterday, your description yesterday of what you said Dr. Murray did.
Yes.
Was not to hang the bottle from the IV stand. You didn't testify he did that, right? Right?
The bottle was clearly
Did you, Doctor?
The answer.
Well, it comes for yes or no.
It's yes
So
or no.
isn't it? Partial answer stricken. Disregard. We asked,
Did you testify to that or didn't you?
Repeat the question.
you got to repeat the whole question.
All right. In your testimony yesterday, you did not demonstrate or tell the jury that Dr. Murray used a tab on People's 30, right?
I did not speak of it one way or the other. I did not consider it relevant.
You showed them, Dr. Murray, or demonstrated to them Dr. Murray putting a bottle of propofol into an IV bag and propping it up in there, right?
Yes. I didn't show them him. I showed them me doing that.
And then testify that's what you think happened.
Correct.
Is that right?
Correct.
So, under your analysis, Dr. Murray would have taken an IV bag, right?
Yes.
Cut a hole like you did with your IV bag.
For the bag we found.
Gone through the mechanism of putting that propofol bottle in the IV bag,
Yes.
right? Propping it up,
Yes.
and then infusing it that way. To going through all those steps.
Yes.